And you know what else isn't going to be subtle tonight? The wind.
And everything.
It is, yeah, and that's what exactly this 8-day has. We have the wind, we have the warmth, we have the snow, we have the rain chances, we have the cold. This is Iowa. Look at this 8-day forecast. A lot going on. 40s today. Tonight we are weather alert as we go throughout Wednesday as well with these very strong gusting winds, blizzard-like conditions. Yeah, this is a ground blizzard this time around. Not a great chance of really snow as far as falling down, but blowing around with these very strong winds. And then after that, we're not done yet. We're not out of the woods. Another chance for snow moving in for Thursday, and then another round possibly for, yes, that would be our third Saturday in a row of seeing measurable snow, and it does look like a possibility. Warm day with rain chances for today. As we get into tomorrow, we'll be waking up with these very strong winds, but they move in overnight, creating those blizzard-like conditions, and even, again, visibility is expected to be around or less than a quarter of a mile with that blowing snow moving over us. Throughout the day today, that is not going to be the case. So as we talk about the winds, it's going to become breezy for the afternoon, but overnight tonight, we're going to see gusts around 40 to 45 miles per hour as we get to around 10 to midnight. Already a possibility of blowing snow. So that's when that winter storm watch goes into effect. Expected to see that upgrade into potential blizzard warnings that'll be going into effect around that same time overnight tonight. So as we go throughout, this is 2 a.m. Now we're seeing these extreme winds start to move in. 60-mile-per-hour gusts, even a chance to even break that will be the strongest. Around 60 to 65 is what we're expecting. And that will continue to push south 5 and 6 o'clock, seeing those now move into central Iowa, the metro, even farther south. Any type of decorations you have set up that are going to be blowing around the wind, you want to either bring them in or make sure they are very secure, because a good chance of them blowing around. Same story with garbage cans, unfortunately. That's going to be impacting a lot of us. And as we go throughout tomorrow morning, still holding on around 40 to 50, even 55-mile-per-hour gusts. This is right around people are starting to head off to work, 7 and 8 o'clock. Afterwards, getting closer to around 10 and noon, they start to calm down, becoming more breezy as we get into Wednesday afternoon. So that's going to taper down that blowing snow potential. But until then, that's whenever we're still expecting blowing snow impacting the driving situation, just being able to see outside, and road conditions as well. So as we go throughout the future track throughout the day today, yes, that's rain chances moving in. That is going to add to a crust layer, but with how strong those winds are, breaking the crust overnight tonight, adding to the snow just a bit throughout early Wednesday morning. It would just amount to be a dusting, but not really going to even be able to tell that's falling, because all of the blowing snow that's going to be associated with it, the winds are going to be so strong. And then after that, that's when we have our next chance of snowfall. Thursday afternoon starts to move in, even a chance for a wintry mix. So we are going to be watching for that next round of snowfall on Thursday. Friday catching a break other than dropping temperatures, and then going into Saturday, yeah, we're looking at another round of snowfall. Still a lot of time between now and then. We're already looking through strong winds and another chance of snow on Thursday, so still a lot of uncertainty, but definitely monitoring Saturday's snowfall potential.